So that's Tiiu apartment. I'm now in the kids' room. So let's start the tour. It's quite spacious. Okay, so there is a big wardrobe, LED lighting, quite high ceilings. The bed. I'll later ask if all the furniture is going to remain, and that's the view. Now the window is open. View is quite okay. Green fields. So from the kids' room to the right hand side is bathroom. Very spacious bathtub, sink, mirror. Apartment looks brand new. It is brand new actually. So from here we're going to the next bedroom. Quite spacious. There is a wardrobe. Quite big wardrobe. Let's take a look. You can put all your stuff here. And now the window is open. And I think they're cutting grass or something. But otherwise, I can close. There are kids' playing ground. And that's the view from the master bedroom. I think that's the master bedroom. So here was the bathroom. We were just in. Here was the small kids' room. And now we are going to another kids' room on the left, next to the master bedroom. Big wardrobe. View on the same side. The playground. There is access to the balcony, but we can enter this balcony from the living room too. So let's take a look here one more time. Wardrobe, again, big wardrobes. That's really good. And there is one more bathroom with a shower, washing machine and a dryer, I think, a sink. This is also very spacious. So this is the living room, big TV, and here is also the balcony. Let's take a look. Oh, very big balcony, and the view to the yard. So kids are playing. I think this is a very good choice. So let's go. So living room, couch, table, kitchen, corner, oven, stovetop. I think there should be a dishwasher. Yes, here's dishwasher. So very nice and spacious. Fridge, freezer. And here we have also a small toilet with a mirror, sink. Everything is fine. It's very good. And here is the exit. Wardrobe also near the entrance. Okay, that's it from the inside of the apartment. Now we'll go outside also. It seems also it has a smart home, some feature. Okay. And alarm. So now we're going outside. Ja, aitäh teile väga. Panipaika saab siis liftiga, ei? Ahah. Super. See maja on ikka väga mõnus.
Need 2 kohta, kus on see Porsche ja see kõrval. 2 kohta ja siis sealt on sisse sõit.
Okay. So those are 2 parking spots. 1, 2. And the entrance to the parking house is from there. Ja siis see panipaik?
Panipaiga võtik mul nüüd ei ole.
Aha.
Muidu panipaigad on siin.
Okay, and there are storage places. Also, 1 storage place over here, but we don't have the key now. Okay, so next view from outside.
Mõnus suur garaaž on, 2 rida.
Ja. Ei tundub praegu, et selles hinnaklassis on nõudlust päris palju.
On ja, siin on ka see huvi täitsa olemas. Enne seda käis üks mees. Siin on ju mingi rahvusvahel, et see on mingi täitsa. See on nagu see Montessori.
And that's the house. Waste means... So, a view from here too. Yard. There are some parking spots on this side too for guest parking.